Hello friends, this is an automatic liquid level controller panel. It have four pilot lights. One is power on, one is motor on, then high level indication, low level indication, and then auto and manual switch. So in auto manual mode, you can switch on the motor manually. Then it is enter off. Then auto mode, it will take a signal from a float switch. So this is the float switch. So when the level is low, this float switch will be in this position. So motor will on, green indication, and a white lamp indicates low level. When the water level rises, it will change the position. So the motor will be off and the blue lamp, which is indicates high level indication, will be on. Now we will do the practical application. Now we will drain the water.